So today we'll discuss about a variable concept. So variables are the name of the memory locations and use it to store some values, name of the memory locations. Here in any language, when you take a C, C++ or Java in any language, so the variables concept is same. And this is the basic concept in a programming to declare the variable, to store some values. So first we need to know what is variable and what are the rules we have to follow to declare the variable. So actually the variable is known as name of the memory location. So whenever you are declaring some variable like int a, so now a is called as a variable. And what are the rules we have to follow while declaring the variable, we will see. And here the rules of declaring the variable. The first rule, the variable must start with alphabet or underscore. Must start with alphabet or underscore. Why? Because so there are some rules already they constructed in the languages C, C++, and Java. So we have to follow these rules, and these rules are defined by the language developers. And here the variable must start with alphabet, or we can also use the underscore symbol to start the variable. So like for example, this is a data type I am declaring, I am taking. And here whenever I start a variable a, so this is the valid variable. And whenever I start a variable like this is also a valid variable. And can I also declare a underscore b, this is also a valid variable. And second rule, and it should not start with the numbers. So numbers should not be the first. Why? Already we have a rule, it should start with the alphabet. And so for example, int 2a, so this is a invalid. And int and ampersand x y ampersand, this is also not valid. Why? Because the special symbols are not allowed. The special symbols are not allowed as a variables. Special symbols are not allowed, except underscore are not allowed as variables. So this is also one rule while declaring the variable we have to remember. And the keywords. The keywords are nothing but a special reserved words in any language. And in C language, we have 32 keywords. Like that in Java, we have 50 keywords. So we have so many keywords in the language, and those are the reserved words. And those reserved words we cannot use as a variable. The reserved words should not be the variable. And like should not like for example, already we know the int. Now int is a data type, and int is also a keyword. So while declaring int, I want to declare the variable like int, so this is invalid. And int, I want to declare a float, so this is also invalid variable declaration. So this we are not going to follow. So while declaring the variable. So this is all about a variables concept. And the variable is the alphanumeric combinations, means I can also declare the variable like this. So a2, since this is valid, so it should not start with the number, but at the end you can give the numbers. This is all about variables.